Hello all, welcome back to Datacraft Institute. This is the fourth video of module 2 and here we will be learning about order by clause, and in the end we will also be having a quiz which will test your knowledge on almost all topics that we have learned in module 2. So let's start. You have filtered your data, you have ticked your columns, but right now your results look like a junk drawer. In the real world, data is only as good as its presentation. That's where order by clause comes in, the final touch of every great query. So why order by? Order by is generally for the human, and think like about your favorite shopping app. You never just look at all items, you sort by price, low to high or newest arrival. Okay, so this is the purpose of the order by clause. It helps us to transform the data into information. The information is which is the latest order placed. Okay, all those kind of information we can derive from this order by clause. Don't consider it only for a sorting purpose, but see what are insights you are getting. Like you can get the highest salary of an employee, all those things you use the order by clause. So this is the syntax. You select name, price from products, order by price, descending. Now we will jump into the practical. Before that, we will learn multi-sort. Now we can also sort more than one column. You can sort by more than one column. Imagine sorting a company directory by last name and then for everyone with the same last name, sorting by first name. This keeps your data clean. So let's jump into the practical. I have executed a select star for employees. So here you can see. Now I want to sort by salary. Okay, so I will do order by salary. And here if you see, the lowest one will come first. By default it will take ascending. If you want to sort by descending, the highest salary first, you can write descending explicitly. And if you see, it will come here. Based on sorted with descending order of salary. Now my requirement is people who have the same salary, in that the one who joined earlier should come first. Means Arjun and Kiran have the same salary. I want Kiran to come first based on joining date. So I want to sort by salary descending but joining date ascending, so that the person who joined earlier is coming at the top. So you can write like this, comma, joining date ascending. Okay, now if you execute it, you will see Kiran who joined earlier came at the top. Okay, and people who have now still the salary is sorted based on descending order, but if the salary is same, then the joining date inside that will be sorted based on ascending order. We can make it descending also. Okay, so it will be sorted. So see, Arjun came at the top now with joining date which was at a means from a descending order it came first. Okay, means he joined later, means than Kiran. So that's it. This is what this is all about order by. Now we will jump into the quiz. Thank you so much.